In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve responses in Google Forms. If you've been using Google Forms to collect data, be it for a survey, a quiz, or any other kind of form, you'll eventually want to access and analyze the responses you've collected. Fortunately, Google Forms makes it super easy to retrieve those responses so you can review and manage them effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to open Google Forms. Start by navigating to forms.google.com. Once you're there, log in using your Google account credentials if you aren't already logged in. You should now see a list of forms you've created or that have been shared with you. Locate the form for which you want to access the responses. It should appear in your list. However, if you have a lot of forms, you might need to scroll through to find the right one. Now, once you've opened your desired form, you'll notice a selection of tabs at the top: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Your focus should be on the Responses tab, so go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. In the Responses tab, you'll see all the data that has been submitted through your form. There's a summary view where you'll find visual elements like graphs and charts, which give you an overall view of the collected responses. If you're looking for more detailed data, switch to the Individual Responses view. Here, you can scroll through each response one by one. This can be particularly useful if you want to read specific feedback or analyze detailed answers. For an even more comprehensive data analysis, you have the option to export responses into a spreadsheet. To do this, look for the small green Sheets icon, often located near the top right corner of the Responses tab, and click on it. This action will create a new Google Sheets document that houses all the response data in a neatly organized manner, making it easy to sort, filter, and further analyze the responses. And that's all there is to it. Retrieving responses in Google Forms is not only straightforward, but also gives you a wealth of options to view and organize the data. Whether you're looking at a broad overview or digging into specific answers, Google Forms provides powerful tools to help you make sense of the information collected. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident accessing your form responses. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.